Hello! In this video I wanted to show how I'm making soap dough. I use very simple recipe. It's 5 butters and oils, water, lye and sugar colorant. This particular batch I'm making for a customer, but usually I sell my soap dough unscented. But if you want, you can use any kind of fragrance. Just be careful, your fragrance must not seize. It can accelerate, even though I wouldn't use that kind of fragrance. But if it seizes, your final product will be so hard you would not be able to work with it. In order for my lye to cool down faster, I used a little bit frozen distilled water, and I started to blend it inside the house, but then it became not hot but very warm and I took it outside. This particular batch is for 200 grams only, and first I'm going to melt my hard oils, and then I will add one by one my liquid oils. And for this soap I'm going to use green oxide. After you reach first to second trace, you just pour your soap in the mold and then cover it with any kind of plastic. And I usually sit it in not preheated oven, and it's ready by next day. So basically it will take 12, maybe 14 hours. And if your soap dough came out, let's say, very sticky, you can let it sit for a little bit, or if you need to work with it right now, you just can add any kind of starch or arrowroot. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and help me grow my channel. Thank you. Come back for more.